Welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. In our last video, we've covered everything you need to prepare from your colors to your content. Now that you have your digital toolkit ready, it's time for the fun part, diving into the Wix editor and choosing the perfect starting point. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to find, preview, and select the ideal Wix template for your beauty influencer website. Let's get started. Go to Wix.com. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. If not, click on Get Started. You can sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account. Once you're signed in, you might see this on your screen. Wix will give you two options. Let Wix create a site for you using their AI tool or customize a template yourself. Since we will be creating one from scratch by ourselves, simply select Setup without chat. What type of website do you want to create? You can type in beauty and you can select beauty blog. Now you'll be taken to your dashboard where a pop-up window will appear. What would you like to call your website? Input your website's name over here. What are your goals for the site? Select everything that applies to you. And finally, Wix will ask you what apps you'd like to pre-install. No worries, if you're not sure about the apps you're going to need, you can still add them later on. Now click on Continue to Dashboard. So this is your personalized dashboard. Click on Design Site and then select Pick a Template. So now you will be taken to the Wix template library. When selecting a template, it's important to see if it has the structure that you prefer. That's because style and design can be changed later, but choosing a template with your ideal structure will save you time in creating your site. To see a template in detail, hover over it and select View. The template will open in a new tab. Evaluate the structure. Look at the navigation menu and see if it has the pages you need. If you like, you can also preview its mobile mode. Once you find the template that has the right structure and flow for your beauty brand, it's time to select it. Click on Edit this site. And now you'll be taken to the Wix editor, where you'll be able to work on your website and make it truly yours. And that's it. Choosing the right template now saves you massive time later, allowing you to focus on filling the site with your own amazing content. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.